Hi, I'm Pinkie. I'd like to introduce how to use Pinkie Heat Transfer Paper Glow in the Dark 1.02. Please read the instructions carefully before use. This video is only suitable for Pinkie Heat Transfer Paper Glow in the Dark 1. Here's what you'll need for the transfer process. Caution: Pinkie Heat Transfer Paper Glow in the Dark 1.0 will show the luminous effect only after 1 hour of sunshine or light absorbing. Printing light-colored patterns will have a better luminous effect than dark-colored patterns. Step 1. Print. Printing your design with an inkjet printer. Step to cut. Cut out your design with scissors or a cutting machine after the printed image is dry. Step 3. Transfer. Smooth out the garment with an iron before transferring to remove wrinkles. Gently peel off your design from the backing logo paper. Place your design facing upward onto appropriate position of the t-shirt. You can use an iron easy press or heat press machine to transfer the Pinkie image. Covered with a Teflon paper to protect the image while transferring. Step 4. Done. Your Pinkie image transfer is done. After more than 1 hour of sunshine or light absorbing, the image will present the best luminous effect. If you have any problems during using Pinkie transfer paper, please feel free to contact us. We will help you solve the problem at first time. Bye-bye. Hope to see you again.